continuous fine mist spray. After your second trigger pull, you will get a continuous spray of fine mist lasting 1-2 seconds without having to pull the trigger. Even when turned upside down, you will get even, complete sprays in every single pull. With a spray nozzle diameter of 0.22 millimeters, the mist is so fine that even if you miss and get it on furniture, it will dry up almost instantly like trigger. Pull, spare your fingers and avoid any pain. Our BPA-free spray bottles include a light trigger pull for your maximum convenience. Particularly recommended for customers suffering from arthritis. Super quick to refill. Unique threading of our twist top design allows you to quickly twist the head 180 to remove it and refill it. This is unlike our competitors that will leave you unscrewing the head many times and wasting precious time just to refill the bottle when you could be cleaning your bathroom or styling hair. Leak-proof 360 spray. Our unique design provides maximum versatility, using the option to spray in any angle, while protecting your countertops and surfaces by eliminating any leaks. Keep the water exactly where you want it, inside the bottle, and spraying according to your directions. So many uses this the most versatile BPA-free spray bottle on the internet. It can be used around the house, for beauty including hairstyling, cleaning, ironing, watering plants, misting air fresheners, spraying essential oils and